Welcome to your course, Totem Messages, Animal Strategies for Life and Success. We are born of the earth, and therefore we are linked to the earth. We hear the earth through the voices of its children, the animals, and the sounds of a heartbeat and circulatory system. Earth inspires us through the colors of its flowers and allows us to relax our thinking mind with the help of her green fields and amazing views of her landscapes. She nurtures us with her food resources and protects us with her own body. She gives us everything we need and is grateful when we give her something in return, so that the energies of this finite but huge body can be recycled, and so she may continue her cycles for many generations to come. Earth talks to us, but only some can or are willing to listen. This is because some of us simply don't have time to listen, and others are not even aware or the need to listen. We do feel happy and contented when we are in nature and receive her nurturing gifts, lying in the sun, resting by a water source, listening to a subtle breeze, feeling it in our skin. Luckily, more and more of us are making an effort to understand her direct teachings through plants, rocks, and animals. The language of the earth is based on observation and intuition, feeling and silence. The subtle language of the animals talks to all of us, but how many of us are willing to listen? When I started to study the animals in 1996, I read the first words on my first set of cards, and instantly I felt a connection with these archetypal and timeless lessons. I went to my heart space and asked Mother Earth, at the humblest and deepest point of surrender I could reach, to talk to me. At that moment, I solemnly promised her that I would always listen to her advice and I would act upon it. And so I did. And I have been doing so for 25 years now. And I do not regret one moment of this rich and nurturing relationship. One of the results is the Totem Messages. Now I would like to help others to get in touch with the energies of the animals. I believe that within our DNA we have the seeds and potentials of all other living creatures in the planet. Therefore, we have a connection to their archetypal frequencies. I understood that the best way to reach a bigger audience was by making them simple, giving them a practical approach and highlighting the connection and relevance to our current lives. My wish is that you can hear and understand my Totem Messages so that you can create and discover a clearer life purpose throughout your personal relationships with them. I believe that you will find solace, empowerment, and a renewed perspective with their assistance, and they will bring magic to your life. I hope you enjoy them. Animal types. There are 4 main groups of animals that we will be working with in Totem Messages. The mammals, related to the physical realm or body, linked to the element of earth, and focused on matters of work, potential, material things, career, accomplishments. Walking in nature awakes our connection with the earth. Winged animals, related to the mind, linked to the element of air and focused on matters of ideas and thought processes, rising above struggles through expanding our perspective and increasing our vision. Going up a mountain connects us with the element of air. Insects and arachnids, related to the emotions, linked to the element of water and focused on matters of inner child and transformation. This group characteristic is its adaptability and the process of metamorphosis or transformation they undergo in order to become an adult. Reptiles and amphibians, related to the soul, linked to the element of fire and focused on matters of spirit and transmutation of negative energy into positive, darkness into light. Reptiles are cold-blooded, reminding us to mind the environments in which we live. Amphibians set the skin, symbolizing the transformation of letting go of the old in order to make space for the new in our lives.